Keep your distance. Driving Assistant Professional, Assisted Driving and the Distance Control with Stop&Go function in BMWs with Operating System 8 are individually adjustable to maintain your set speed and intelligently regulate your distance to vehicles ahead. For detailed adjustments, press the Driving Settings button in the center console. Select Driver Assistance, Driving, Speed Limit Assistant. Under speed limits, you can choose if you want your BMW to automatically take over detected speed limits. When available, map data is also used to detect upcoming changes in speed limits. In the same driving menu, select Distance Control for more settings. When activating Situational Distance Control, the distance to the vehicle in front is adjusted automatically depending on the driving situation. Choose your preferred distance: close, medium, or far. Depending on your country, you can activate Avoid Overtaking on the right to prevent unintended overtaking on the slower lane on motorways. Select Switch to Cruise Control to turn off distance control. The vehicle then still maintains your set speed, but without regulating your distance. Speak up. Use the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant to change driver assistance settings, for example by saying,
"Hey BMW, set distance to front vehicle to far."
Okay.
Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.